Let me just say, this is the most hyped AI ever. Forget simple chatbots and virtual assistants. Manus is an AI agent designed to think, plan, and act on its own. But is it really the future, or just clever marketing? Let's get into it. So, what is Manus? If you've been anywhere near the AI space lately, you've probably heard people throwing around terms like GPT moment, DeepSeek moment, the intern that never sleeps, or even the universal hand. All of these are pointing to one thing: a groundbreaking AI agent from a Chinese startup called Monica. And trust me, it's taken over tech news and social media like wildfire. Manus is being called the world's first truly general AI agent. Now, we've all seen AI tools that can chat, generate text, and even write some code. But Manus does it on a whole different level. This AI doesn't just assist, it plans, executes, and delivers final results all on its own. I want you to think of an intern that not only comes up with ideas, but also does all the heavy lifting: coding, web browsing, data analysis, you name it. Here's the company behind it. Manus is the brainchild of Monica, the startup behind this new AI powerhouse. Their website, monica.em, has become the go-to place for those trying to get a glimpse of this revolutionary tool. But what's with the name Manus? Well, it comes from Latin, meaning mind and hand, which is the very idea behind this AI. It's not just about storing knowledge, it can actively use that knowledge to make things happen in the real world. The company was founded by Xiao Hong, a serial entrepreneur who graduated from Huazhong University of Science and Technology in 2015. Another co-founder and chief scientist demonstrated Manus in a viral video that racked up hundreds of thousands of views within hours. The hype has been so overwhelming that one of Monica's partners admitted they had to limit invites because their servers couldn't keep up. Now for the launch that broke the internet. On March 6, 2025, Monica officially launched an early preview of Manus, and let's just say, things got crazy. People were so eager to get their hands on it that they stayed up all night just to secure an invitation code. And here's where it gets even wilder. Some people even started reselling those codes online. Prices were anywhere from 999 yuan, $137, to an eye-watering 100,000 yuan, which is $14,400. Even the more reasonable resales were going for several hundred to a few $1,000s. The demand was absolutely off the charts. But the real excitement comes from what Manus can actually do: capabilities. According to its official site, it uses a multi-agent structure, which means different AI sub-agents work together to handle complex tasks. One part of the system might focus on planning, another on execution, like writing a Python script or navigating a website, while another verifies the results for accuracy. This setup mimics how a human team operates, where different people handle different roles, working in sync to get things done, and the results were insane. Manus has been put to the test with tasks ranging from screening job applications, analyzing real estate listings based on personal preferences, crunching stock data, and even building interactive dashboards. It doesn't just spit out a few bullet points, it actually follows through to produce fully polished reports, organize spreadsheets, and automate workflows. One demo even showed it planning an entire trip to Japan in April, smashing performance records. One of the biggest flexes for Manus is its performance on the Gaia benchmark, a test designed to measure how well AI agents handle real-world tasks. Manus reportedly hit a new state-of-the-art level, meaning it's setting the bar higher than any AI before it. It's not just fast, it's shockingly effective. The team behind Manus says their AI is way ahead of the competition, even beating OpenAI's deep research models on all 3 levels of Gaia's difficulty ratings. They haven't shared all the details about these tests, but the hype is real, especially with bold claims like, "We surpass OpenAI's best models at the same level." Monica has also gone through some big changes behind the scenes. In 2024, their shareholder structure shifted and major investors jumped on board. Tencent's venture capital arm and Zen Fund, which had already invested in July 2022. Not much else is known about how the company is structured, but that's pretty common for startups that are moving fast. People are already comparing Manus to some of the biggest AI moments, like DeepSeek's rise and ChatGPT's launch. Some are even calling it China's Sputnik moment, basically a game-changing event in the AI race. And it's not just talk. Manus has been making headlines in Global Times, China Daily, Malay Mail, Newsweek, and more. People are starting to put the pieces together. And the truth is, China has been making one AI breakthrough after another this year, from smarter language models to AI agents that actually get things done. And right now, all eyes are on MANUS, the use of AGI. Unlike the usual AI tools that just chat or generate content, MANUS is going after something way bigger: artificial general intelligence. No, it's not about to walk your dog or wash your dishes. But in the digital world, it can handle multi-step tasks that most people would normally hand off to an assistant or intern. And businesses are already catching on. By early 2024, around 21% of companies were using AI agents in some way. That number is only going up, with Gartner predicting more than 80% adoption by 2026. If MANUS lives up to the hype, it's jumping into a market that's exploding right now. The potential is huge. AI agents like this could completely take over things like supply chain management, data analysis for online stores, and sales strategy planning. One of the big selling points is how adaptable and versatile it is. The official demo shows it being able to help a Texas BBQ restaurant improve sales by analyzing local business data and providing tailored insights. That's something most AI chatbots just don't do. MANUS is being positioned as an AI that can think through problems like a human assistant would, analyzing a request, gathering information, running relevant programs, and delivering results without needing constant human input. But why can't you use it yet? With all this hype, you might be wondering, how do I get access? Well, here's the catch. Right now, you can't, unless you're lucky enough to get an invite. MANUS is still in its invite-only phase, and that's created insane demand for access. People desperate to try it out are even flipping invites on secondhand marketplaces for thousands of dollars, similar to what we saw with early access to ChatGPT Plus when it first launched. The company behind MANUS, Monica AI, says they're working hard to scale their servers so more users can get in. They've hinted that it might eventually be free to use, but so far, no official launch date has been announced. Is MANUS overhyped or the real deal? Of course, not everyone is convinced that MANUS is as revolutionary as it claims to be. Critics argue that it might just be an advanced aggregator, meaning it combines multiple existing AI tools into one polished system, rather than being truly groundbreaking. But here's where things get interesting. Monica AI has a proven track record of creating successful AI-powered tools. Their browser plugin for ChatGPT, which allowed users to enhance and customize their AI interactions, saw explosive growth, going from 0 to 10 million users practically overnight. So if anyone knows how to scale an AI product successfully, it's them. What really separates MANUS from most AI models is how much autonomy it appears to have. The demos show it being able to unzip files and extract key information, scan through thousands of resumes to find the best candidates, run Python scripts and analyze outputs, compile real estate data from different sources and generate reports. These are things that typically require human oversight, but MANUS seems to be doing them on its own, without needing step-by-step instructions every time. That's a big deal because it suggests we're moving away from simple AI chatbots and toward AI-powered agents that can truly assist in real-world workflows. Another game-changing feature is its autonomous learning capability. Instead of treating each request as a one-time interaction, MANUS can remember user preferences. So if you like your data displayed in neatly formatted tables, it will automatically apply that format next time without you having to ask. So what do you think? Is MANUS the real deal, or just a flashy AI repackaging existing tools? Drop your thoughts in the comments below.